Welcome to SD Studio. You are now entered to a ultimate showroom ever. Before you enter to showroom, you can enjoy with 3 JGTC legends in front. Read their story, watch their history.
さらに前回竹槍がマシンをやっつけちゃったためニューマシンを投入することになった。仕様は
Now you are entered to showroom. You can visit to each show cars with our product showcase. We have 4 types of different cars to display. They are Retro JDM, Drift Sports, Stance Culture, and Godzilla. Every car has show our SD Studio original products. You can also read about each car's story and culture. Now you are entered to our cafe area. In this area, you can order our premium coffee beans. Enjoy your coffee. Thank you for visit SD Studio showroom. For more info, click the link at the description below. Subscribe our channel, like and share our video.